Welcome to your soft music meditation. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down in a peaceful spot where you will remain undisturbed. Let the gentle, soothing music surround you as we prepare to unwind and clear your mind. Close your eyes gently. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly, feeling any tension begin to dissipate. Let every sound of the music soothe you deeper into relaxation. Let's take this time together to find peace. With the music softly playing, turn your attention inward to your body. Notice the surface you're on. Feel it supporting you. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let your shoulders drop, relax your neck, and ease your back. Imagine the stress melting away, dissolving into the ground beneath you. With each note that plays, allow yourself to sink further into calmness, feeling lighter and more relaxed. Shift your focus now to your breathing. Observe the natural flow of air in and out of your lungs. Breathe in serenity. Breathe out stress. Let the cadence of your breath align with the rhythms of the music. Imagine each breath as a wave of relaxation spreading through your body, reaching every corner, soothing every muscle. With every exhale, release worries, doubts, and fears. Let them go, as easy as letting go of a balloon into the sky. As you continue with deep, steady breaths, begin to clear your mind. Visualize the music's melody like gentle waves upon the shore, softly touching the sand and retreating back. Each wave washes over your thoughts, smoothing them out, leaving clarity and calm in its wake. If any thoughts persist, simply notice them without judgment and let them drift away with the tide of music. Clear space in your mind as you would clear clutter from a room, thoughtfully and patiently. Allow yourself to drift deeper into the state of relaxation, carried by the flow of the music. Feel enveloped in tranquility, floating in a sea of calm. Every note brings a deeper peace. Every silence between notes is a moment of profound stillness. You are completely safe here, embraced by harmony and peace. As you relax deeper, your mind becomes clearer. Your body feels as if it is lightly floating, free from all burdens. As we conclude our meditation, take a moment to bring your awareness back to the present. Begin to notice your surroundings, the texture of the surface beneath you, the ambient sounds of the room intermingling with the music. Gently begin to move your fingers and toes, bringing movement back to your body. When you feel ready, open your eyes gently, returning to the world refreshed and renewed. Thank you for taking this time for yourself with the soft music meditation. Remember, this peaceful state is always accessible to you. Whenever you need to, step back, breathe deeply, and let the music guide you back to serenity. If this meditation has brought a moment of calm to your day, consider joining our growing community. By subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button, you help us share the power of meditation with more souls searching for tranquility in this bustling world. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of peace. Each like, subscription, and share not only supports our channel, but also spreads positivity and mindfulness to others. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, peace starts within, And through our collective calm, we can make the world a more serene place. Until next time, namaste.